Christmas to you.
Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I just woke up and it's time to get this mess in the shower. Mamie, do you want to go pee-pee? Yeah. Yeah, you want to go pee-pee? Pee-pee? Do you want to go pee-pee? You ready to go pee-pee? You ready to go pee-pee? Okay, so as far as what I have on plan for today, I'm not quite sure, but I do know I have some organizing, tidying up, and cleaning that I want to do today. And I think I might do like a little bit of a clean with me video for another Vlogmas day. So I'm probably going to do that today, but first we need to get in the shower and get this hair washed. It is definitely past its prime. Okay, I just got out of the shower and a much needed hair washing. I'm just going to put a little bit of hairstyling cream in it just to kind of like give it some moisturizing kind of stuff. I already went through my morning skincare routine and I think I'm going to have breakfast while I let my hair kind of dry, and then I'll figure out how I want to style it today. I am going to be filming some videos today, so I do want it to like look halfway decent. So we're going to figure that out, but first I'm going to get some breakfast, and I think I'm just going to have leftovers and just do whatever I have. So for my hair, this is what I put in it. This is the Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. This is something I got from BoxyCharm, and I've been like holding off on using all of my BoxyCharm products because I've been trying to like get through all of the old stuff in my collection. So I finally got to start using this one. I actually like it, but I don't really love the scent of it. It does have like a florally kind of like gardenia, daisy-ish, you know, Marc Jacobs daisy kind of smell to it, which is not my favorite. But once my hair's dry, I really can't smell it, so I'm just using this for the time being. And this little one just can't decide whether she wants to be inside or outside, so I have let her in and out probably about 3 times already this morning. And then you hear something going on and you gotta go stick your nose in it, don't you? You are the nosiest dog I have ever met. But I love you. You're a sweet girl. You're so sweet. Okay, so I need to pack my bag. I'm going to my boyfriend's for the weekend, and I wanted to switch over my toiletry stuff into this new bag that I got. And I'm going from a larger one, so I kind of need to pare down some of the things and really just kind of like, you know, narrow it down to like the stuff I really need. But I am a bit of an overpacker, so we are going to work on that now. And let me show you what I have been using. It's quite a bit larger. So it's quite a bit larger. It is like a little two-sided little compartment type of bag. But okay, so this is the old bag. We're gonna try to like move some stuff around. I have a lot of stuff in here, so I'm gonna start with just like some of the, I guess, the most important stuff, and we're gonna try to fit it all in here.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, so overall I was able to get most of the things I wanted to fit in here. I have to say, as cute as this is, it's a little awkward to zip it up, but I will get used to it. But some of the things I decided to live without. Number one, I didn't need all of these hair ties, so I just took the blonde ones and put those in. I had an extra tongue scraper, so this one's just going to be the one that I keep at my house now. I already have a black nail polish in my nail set, so that is going to stay here. Usually I do this just for like my toenails and stuff, but I don't need 2 black ones. Then I had 2 of these little like mini perfumes, so I just decided to keep one of them in here, and then this is the one that's gonna go back in my collection. And then I already had a body lotion, so that one can go back. This is just another extra conditioner. And then I had a facial cleansing bar and a body cleansing bar. Those I can save for when I run out of the ones that I have. The ibuprofen, I've only got like just a couple in here left. I'm gonna actually transfer this to my purse because that's typically where I would keep stuff like that. So that can go, and this one's kind of bulky, so that saved me a bit of room. I actually need to refill my mouthwash, so I will have to do that and then add it to there, but so that one actually will go back in there. And then I have a whole bunch of these like little moisturizers and things. Usually I'll keep these in like my makeup bag, so I think I'm just gonna move these all back, and I've got a few little random things all in here. The 2 things I was most sad about not being able to fit in here, this is like a little hair styling leave-in conditioner type product. This container is just such an awkward shape. It didn't really work for that, but I love this product, so unfortunately this one is just gonna get used at my house. And then my perfume, there's only a little bit left in here, and this is a large bottle. I need to get like a small travel size to put in here, but I love this one. I have been using it forever, and I will probably use it for my entire life. I just love pink sugar scent. It's very sweet and I love it. So, but unfortunately it was too large for this. So again, it's just going to get used up here. And then I was so excited. I found these earrings that I love so much, and I completely forgot I owned them. And they were just like in a little pocket the whole time. So I'm so glad I found these. This has been my current favorite Bath & Body Works candle. I got this I think over the springtime when they were doing like one of their semi-annual sales. This is the Iced Blueberry Biscotti. This smells so good. I just love Bath & Body Works candles, and this is the one I'm working on right now, and this one smells so good, you guys. And it's one of those scents when you first smell it, it doesn't feel like it would be that strong. I took like a few weeks break from this one, and then I started it again, and it's just so good. I love this one.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways,
all right, I have finished my hair. I just decided to go with like kind of like just a straighten blowout with like just a little bit of curl in the ends. It will not last long in my hair at all. These types of like bouncy little just kind of curled ends just never hold, but it does look nice for at least a few minutes. So that hello, Moomin. Now we're gonna just finish up makeup and hopefully get started filming. Okay, so I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I have completely used up my concealer. So I'm so excited because that means I get to pick a new concealer from my makeup collection, and I can't decide which one I want to be my next like everyday like use it till it's gone concealer. So I've got 2 to choose from, and I think I might use both of them today and just try to make my decision from that. So the 2 that I have is the first one is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've heard a lot of good things about this one. And then the other one I have is from Dose of Colors. This one's called the Meet Your Hue Concealer. So I think maybe we'll do one on one side, one on the other. Okay, so I think let's do e.l.f. over here and we'll do Dose of Colors over here. I think like color wise these are pretty similar. I think that the e.l.f. one is like slightly more pinky, and I think the Dose of Colors might be slightly more neutral. Let's see, let's just do 3 little dots of each. The one I'm using in e.l.f. is Fair Rose, and the Dose of Colors one is number 9 Light. Okay, so on my skin I can see this one's definitely a lot more closer to my skin tone. This one's a little bit more brighter. And I just use my finger to apply this. Wow, this one's got a lot of coverage to it. Wow, that one is very, very brightening. I know the lighting on here is not great, especially since I am trying to do this on my phone, which, you know, the camera's okay, but it's not great. So like, I don't know how much of the detail you'll really be able to tell. I'm gonna just add just a tiny bit more on this side just to kind of match that brightness, because like, look at that, that is bright. Wow. I think for now I'm just gonna go on a leap of faith and we're gonna go with e.l.f. for the weekend and see how it works. And if it doesn't work out, we're probably gonna switch back to Dose of Colors, but for now we're gonna go with e.l.f. Okay, so I finished up the makeup. I went a little darker this time, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like it. And I am trying out a new pair of eyelashes, and I got these from Shein, and it was like a multi-pack, and it was so affordable. And you guys, these look so good. Like, I think that, here, if I do like, there you go, you can actually see it now. I think that these are so pretty. They're a little bit larger than like my everyday type of like faux lashes, but what makes these so great is the fact that they are like little half lashes, or kind of like 3/4 lashes almost. So it's not nearly as uncomfortable as like a full strip lash, because those just always poke my inner corners and they drive me insane. And not to mention, I just have very like shorter, sparser eyelashes in the front. So unless the eyelashes themselves are very thin in the front, they tend to just like be really noticeable. So I think that these are so pretty. Let me actually show you what they look like. Okay, so these are what the lashes look like, and you get 7 pairs. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you get 7 pairs of these. And see how I was saying, like, they're not like a full lash. They're like 3/4 to like a half lash. So much more comfortable. And these are actually really pretty. Like, even if I show you like this, hopefully you can see just like, they look so good. Like, there's a nice feather to them. There's like a nice like curve to them. These are good. I don't know if this helps, but there's some of the information, but I will be sharing these in my Shein haul. I just realized I probably should have taken these little hair clips out the whole time. Right, we are ready to start filming. Finally, I need to hurry up because this took a lot longer than I was expecting. I also packed my overnight bag and was doing some laundry, so that took some time, but we need to get filming. Hey everyone, so today we are going to be doing another pink Shein haul, but this one is a little bit more specific because we are going to be looking at pink kitchen items, kitchen organizations, everything like that. So definitely keep watching if you are interested in a lot of these super cute items that I got in this haul. Okay, so the rest of my afternoon didn't go as planned. I had some unexpected company, so I didn't get to film all of my videos that I wanted to film, but I did do a little picking up and cleaning and stuff, so I did get that done. And now I am heading off to my boyfriend's. It is an 1.5-hour drive, so we've got a little bit of a drive ahead of us. And I think I'm going to take some cookies too. I have these. So I have these like crumble cornbread cookie dupes copycat recipe that I made the other night, and I'm going to take them to him and see if he likes them. But yeah, so we are going to head out. I have loaded up the car. I've just got a couple more things to put in, and we are ready to go.
I'm so, are you hanging on? Because I'm so excited. I'm curling my toes in excitement, and I just showed Karen not to. It's a big one. Get ready. Okay.
I got so lucky. I just missed the train. I have to drive through this tiny little town, and there is a little train track that goes right through town, and there's like pretty much no way avoiding it, and I literally just missed it by about 45 seconds, and I heard it just go by. I'm so glad I missed it, because sometimes those take a while to get through, so I'm so glad I just missed that teeny tiny train.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Alright, we have made it to my boyfriend's house. I don't think he's here yet though, so I'm just gonna hang out until he gets here. He should be here in just a few minutes, so yeah, I think we're just gonna hang out. What you pup dogs doing?
Who wants some food, pup dog?
They're just...
Huh? Who wants some food? Oh, come on. Come on, pup dog.
it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.